Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 7 from exercise 3.1, chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. Look at the diagram. Here the triangular shaped figure is given and three exterior angles are given x, y and z. After finding the value of x, y and z, you have to find the sum of x plus y plus z. Now look at x. If this is a line and this portion is 90 degree, what can you say about this line, this angle? It is a straight angle. You can see that it is a straight angle. All the angles we will find here with the basis of straight angle. Now in this straight angle, if this portion is 90, then this portion will be 180 minus 90 degree, that is 90 degree. Obviously if this one is 90 degree, then this one will be 90 degree. So what you will write, solution of this sum, x is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. Why? Because linear pair. Therefore x is equal to 90 degree. Similarly y afterwards you can find y. Now z, first you find z is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degrees. Similarly it is also linear pair. So z is equal to 150 degree. Now in triangle, this one angle is 90 degree, another is 30 degree. Then can you find this angle? Now in triangle, say it is angle 1. Say name this angle as angle 1. Now angle in triangle, now we know that in a triangle, the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degree. As we know, angle sum of a triangle is 180 degree. So if this angle, if I want to find angle 1, then if I add this 30 and 90 and subtract from 180, I will get this angle. Okay. So you can write angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 30 plus 90, or you can write in this way also. Or you can write in easiest way, angle 1 plus 90 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Similarly angle 1 plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. Now if angle 1 is 60 degree, then what do you think? What will be the value of y? Then y is equal to, therefore y is equal to, it is a linear pair again, 180 minus 60 degree. Why? Because it is a linear pair. That means it is 120 degree. So angle y is equal to 120 degree. Now we have find out angle x, it is 90 degree. Angle z, it is 150 degree, and angle y, it is 120 degree. Now you have to add these angles. Therefore x plus y plus z is equal to, value of x is 90 degree, value of y 120 degree, and value of z 150 degree. If you add these three, you will get 360 degrees. So what we can see, that the exterior angles of a triangle x plus y plus z, three exterior angles, sum of three exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. Now come to the next sum. Now question number B. Look at the diagram given here. Here it is a four-sided polygon. Four exterior angles also there. W, X, Y, Z. Three interior angles are given. You have to find this angle, mark this angle as 1, and you, by using this all the angles, you can find by using linear pair concept. You can find this angle x, y and z. To find w, you need to find the angle 1. By using 1, you can find w also. So, first you find angle x. You know that solution of b, x plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. You have to write this reason, it is mandatory. Now x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Therefore x is 60 degree. Now for y plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Y is equal to 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree. Now z plus 60 is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Therefore z is equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120 degree. Now it is you have find out all these angles, angle x, y and z. To find angle 1, you need the interior angles, and you know the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. As we know, the angle sum property, the angle sum of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now angle 1 plus 60 plus 80 plus 120, all the angles are given here. 60 plus 80 plus 120 plus angle 1 is equal to 360 degree. Now angle 1 plus 120 plus 60, 180, 180 plus 80, 260. Now 260 degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore angle 1 is equal to 360 degree. By transposing of 260 degree in the right side, minus 260 degree, angle 1 will be 100 degree. Now you have to find angle W. To find angle W, I need the help of angle 1. So angle 1 we have already find out, it is 100 degree. So W plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. W plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. W is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. Now you have to find the value of x, y and z. X, y, z and w. Therefore x plus y plus z plus w is equal to, the value of x is 60 degree, value of y 100 degree, value of z 120 degree and value of w 80 degree. If you all the angles if you add, you will get 360 degree. So this is the value of x plus y plus z plus w. I hope the math is slightly lengthy, but the process is easy for you. Practice it, students. Thank you.